This is day 27 of our 30-day countdown towards the Further Maths Level 2 GCSE. Now, yesterday's question was we were given a sequence, 4n squared over 3n squared plus 5, and we're told that one of the terms in the sequence is 9 over 8. The first part, so let's just call this part A. Part A asks us to find out which term. So we want to know when this sequence equals 9 over 8. So this is a quadratic, so we can rearrange and solve it. And I think the easiest way is to times both sides by 3n squared plus 5 and times both sides by 8. So we are going to get 32n squared equals 27n squared plus 45. So we can rearrange that. So I would say take away 27n squared from both sides and end up with 5n squared equals 45. Divide by 5. So n squared equals 9. So we're going to square root both sides, and as you're probably aware, then when we square root a positive number, we could end up either with the positive or negative of that square root. But seeing as n is a term in our sequence, we can only take this positive solution. So the square root of 9 is 3. So it's the third term. Now, we also have a part B. Find the limiting value of the sequence as n tends to infinity. So if I just write my sequence out again. Now, the limiting factor as n tends to infinity is what does the sequence end up looking like? So when we send n to infinity, this thing up here and this thing up here with n's in are both going to tend to infinity. And this plus 5 is going to become really, really insignificant. So we can ignore that. So we're going to end up with 4n squared over 3n squared. But we can cancel that. We can cancel the n squareds. So our limiting value is 4 over 3. So today's question is use matrix multiplication to show that a reflection in the x-axis followed by a reflection in the y-axis is the same as a rotation of 180 degrees.